In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add testimonials and reviews to your Wix website. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional section that highlights real feedback and builds trust with your visitors. Start by opening your site in either Wix Editor or Wix Studio. Both give you full control over your pages. Choose the one you're already using for this site. Once your site is open in the editor, make sure you're on the page where you want the testimonials to appear. It could be your home page for maximum visibility or a dedicated testimonials page if you prefer to keep reviews in one place. Next, look to the left-hand toolbar and click the plus icon labeled Add. This is where you'll find all the building blocks for your page. From there, choose Sections. Sections are pre-designed content blocks that already have spacing and structure set up for you, which makes them quick to drop in and easy to customize. Inside Sections, browse to the Testimonials or Reviews category. You'll see a variety of templates from simple quotes to card-style layouts with star ratings and photos. Hover over options to preview the style and pick the one that best matches your brand's look and the tone you want to convey. Minimal designs work well for modern sites, while card grids can showcase multiple voices at once. Add the section to your page and it will appear in your layout immediately. Place it where it makes sense in your visitor's journey, ideally after a feature or service description, where positive feedback reinforces your offer. Keep enough spacing around it so it's readable and not crowded by other elements. Now personalize the content, click any testimonial card to edit the text. Replace placeholder quotes with genuine, concise feedback. Aim for 1 to 3 sentences that highlight a clear result or benefit. For attribution, you can include a first name, initials, and a role or general location. Keep it respectful and avoid sharing personal contact details. If the template includes an image, click it to upload a professional, clear photo. Cropping tools will help center the face and keep the layout consistent. If your template has star ratings, adjust them to reflect the actual review. Stay accurate and consistent across entries. As you fine-tune, maintain a unified style, similar quote lengths, consistent capitalization, and the same tone. Read through the section to ensure it's easy to scan and aligned with your brand voice. And that's it. You've added and customized a testimonials or reviews section in Wix, giving your site social proof that helps visitors feel confident about working with you.